Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how I made a very simple wall decor using these random cut MDF pieces that were trashed. So I start off by arranging them to make a geometric pattern. After I was satisfied with the arrangement, I went ahead and joined them using a glue gun, and then I spray painted them black. So if you like a minimal look, you can leave it as it is, but I had to be extra. So I used foam boards cut in different square sizes and covered them randomly with some contact papers of different colors. In some, I used creased aluminium foil to get some texture. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. You are greatly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome to this channel where I share how to decorate your home on a budget. So if this is your kind of content, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and like this video. So once they were done, I start placing them on the geometric piece randomly until I got the look I wanted. Then I glued them with a glue gun. So this is the final look. So simple to make, but gives a very beautiful look on the wall. You can use it on a bare long wall, or as a focal point for your console table, or even above the couch. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like and share if you haven't. Until my next video, be blessed.